Most people think the lens inside their eye does all the heavy lifting to focus what they see, but that's a complete myth. Your eye is a living camera, and the real hero is the cornea, the clear dome at the front. It bends incoming light so sharply that it handles 70% of your focusing power. The iris simply controls the lighting, and that famous lens? It merely fine-tunes the last 30%, projecting the image perfectly onto the retina. That retina is a biological sensor packed with 125 million rods for night vision and 6 million cones for color. It captures the light, but how your brain processes this upside-down projection is where things get truly strange. For over 2.5 billion people, this biological projector has a tiny structural flaw. The eyeball grew just a fraction of a millimeter too long. Because the retina is pushed further back, the incoming light rays converge in empty space. By the time they hit the back wall, the image is a blurry, scattered mess. To fix this, we place a diverging concave lens in front. It spreads the light rays slightly outward before they enter, pushing the focal point perfectly onto the retina. But what if the opposite happens? Meet the hypermetropic eye. It's slightly too short, often under 23 millimeters. When you look at something close, like a book, the lens can't bend the diverging light enough. The image actually forms completely behind the retina, leaving you with a blurry mess. To fix this, we need to give the eye a head start. We place a convex converging lens in front of the cornea. It pre-bends the light inward before it even enters the eye, pulling that focal point perfectly forward onto the retina. A perfectly healthy eye has a massive projection range. It can focus on a star at infinity and instantly adjust to read a book just 25 centimeters from your face. We call that 25 centimeter limit your near point. But our modern habits are breaking the system. By constantly locking our focus right at that near point, our eyeballs are physically elongating. The result? By 2050, half the human race will be trapped in the myopia blur. We are slowly evolving into a species that can only see at arm's length. Your eyes were built to scan the horizon, so do them a favor. Look up, look far, and let those lenses stretch.